Ma'am, may I request something, ma'am, on the matter of AFP-PNP relationship? May I please request that kung sakasakali man pong merong hindi pagkakaintindihan or yung with this setting, could it be construed or limited dun sa maaring nangyari lang sa situation o yung mga personalities, individuals involved? Kasi ma'am, sa katotohanan lang po, honestly, very truthfully, the relationship of the whole armed forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police nationwide is very vibrant, very close. Baka lang ho merong hindi pagkakaintindihan on the ground in this particular case. Wag po sanang, if I may request your honors, for the benefit of the public, hindi po nag-aanong AFP-PNP eh. Ito lang pong particular case, baka hindi ho lang nagkaintindihan. That's my request, Your Honor.
Thank you for setting that
Thank you.
for the record.